SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on water-driven modulation of multi-responsive properties in acyl hydrazone-based crystals. This research was conducted by Deepak Manoharan et al. And published in 24 June 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Stimuli-driven mechanical responses in molecular crystals are a rapidly advancing field with significant potential for applications in areas such as actuator-based devices, soft robotics, and adaptive materials. These crystals can exhibit a variety of macroscopic mechanical behaviors in response to external factors like stress, light, temperature, and humidity, making them highly adaptable for developing smart materials. A pyrene-substituted acyl hydrazone open parenthesis PIAC close parenthesis was synthesized via the condensation of 4-DROMOBE NZH-YDRAZ IDE and 1-PYR-ENECARB OXALDE following a previously reported procedure and confirmed by 1H-NMR spectroscopy. Hydrated PiACW crystals were obtained through evaporation crystallization from a dichloromethane water mixture 1:0, 2VV. Anhydrous PiAC crystals were crystallized from methanol dichloromethane mixture 1:1VV. The pyrene substituted acyl hydrazone open parenthesis PIAC close parenthesis crystal exhibits distinct mechanical properties depending on its hydration state. The hydrated form open parenthesis PIACW close parenthesis displays remarkable two-dimensional open parenthesis 2D close parenthesis elastic bending, attributed to water molecules within solvent channels forming a robust hydrogen bonding network that stabilizes the lattice and allows for efficient stress dissipation. This hydrated crystal can undergo multiple cycles of elastic bending without permanent deformation. The observed mechanical behaviors of the PiAC crystal are strongly governed by the presence and role of water molecules within its lattice. In the hydrated state PiACW, water molecules act as rollers between adjacent 2D sheets, facilitating movement and enabling elastic deformation. The robust hydrogen bonding network involving water molecules provides stability while allowing for reversible stress dissipation, thus imparting significant 2D elasticity. This study demonstrates that a pyrene-substituted acyl hydrazone open parenthesis PiAC close parenthesis crystal exhibits water-dependent mechanical and photomechanical properties, highlighting its potential for smart actuators and photoswitchable devices. In its hydrated form open parenthesis PiACW close parenthesis, the crystal possesses remarkable 2D elasticity due to a hydrogen bonding network stabilized by water molecules, allowing for substantial elastic bending.